Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm giving now analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. This will be for whole week. As we know, this is last week of October series and we have expiry on 25th, right? So 25th expiry is on 28th, sorry, not on 25. So for this, considering this expiry, I'm giving my view for this whole week and for Monday. So it is true for the next week and Monday. So let's see where Nifty will head towards and what strategy we can make. Okay, so now as I told in previous video as well, so let's draw support and resistance levels, so that will give us an idea where is our entry point should be and where is our extreme what we can say, where we can exit from the position. So let's draw support and resistance. So we can see a couple of bottoms it made at around 18050. So that is first level of support, as we are seeing it from couple of days in the last week, and also same I have mentioned in my previous video as well. So 1850 is a strong support. Now why 1850? It is actually very much near to 18,000. That is why it is a round level and it has a open interest as well on the put writing side. So 18,000 to 1850 is a strong support. Now on the upper side we can see, this is a daily candle by the way. So on the upper side where we can see the resistance, the top made on the Friday, it is 18312. That is another resistance we can see. So this is what we are seeing from the current daily chart. Now let's look at 1 hour chart. That will give us a more clear idea. Okay, yeah, in this one what we can see is it has also taken a resistance at 200 level. That is this one, around this one, this area where it has made, you know, 3 tops, right? So we can see it has made 3 tops over here in this area, particular area, right? So that is another resistance level. So 18200 is proper resistance level. Okay, we'll see in the open interest area as well, where is the open interest. But right now from graph from chart what we can draw is this one. Then next support where we can see, now let's say if in case 1850 or 18,000 is broken on the lower side, where we can see the next support. So the next support comes over here around this area, 17882. That is just below 900, 17900. So that is another support area. Okay, I don't see market breaking 18312 in Monday at least. But if let's say it breaks, then where it can go to up to, right? So this is the another resistance level. That is too long actually, but no one can say anything, right, in this market. So this is another level of resistance. I will draw over here 18420. So this is my range basically for whole next week. Okay, so on the lower side support I see extreme support I see at 17890. That is round figure we can say 17900, and upper side that is 18422, 18420. So this is my whole weekly range. Okay, for Monday, now let's see what is the range it can be for Monday. So Monday I see the range between 18195, that is round figure we can consider 18200, and 18050, that is we can say 1800. So market should hover in this area. Okay, as I keep on saying, this is the area where market can, you know, make some adjustment or spend some time in this particular area. It is a consolidation area, what we can say. On any side breakout, okay, on lower side if it breaks, then I'm expecting this 1800 17880 to be achieved. That is my next target. And if let's say breaks on the upper side 18190 or 18200, then I'm expecting again 18320. So that is the another level. Why I'm saying that, let's look at the open interest over here. In open interest, this is a monthly expiry open interest. We can clearly see there are straddles sold for 18200, means call writing and put writing is at high on 18200, means people are expecting most of the time market will, you know, end up near 18200. On the downside we can see as usual 18,000 is a huge put writing. Okay, but if let's say it breaks, then what is the support? Next one is 18800. So our levels that are coming those are exactly around that area, 18780, that is 18900. But I don't think we will reach over there. But we cannot say what can happen in the next week, because it is a monthly expiry, and holiday season on the cards, Diwali and Thanksgiving and year end. So people, not only people, big institutes or FIID is also booking and profit. So we need to be extra careful below 1800. Below 1800, I can see directly 120 or 100 point drop in the Nifty. So considering that, this is the level which we should look for, 1850. Because in that case, what will happen, all these put writers, they have to unwind their position, right? Otherwise they will go in big loss. So that is the reason. And when we can expect a short covering rally, it is 18200, because we can see there is a huge call rating. So I don't see 18200 breaking. Yeah, our level is also 18195. So I don't see 18200 is breaking in one go. At least it will take one or two attempts. And but if it breaks, maybe on Wednesday or something like that, it will directly go to 18300, 320 level. So that is the analysis on Nifty side. Let's look at the Bank Nifty quickly. Bank Nifty, where is Bank Nifty? Yeah, Nifty Bank. And in Nifty, as I told, now Infosys and TCS should support. You might have saw in my previous video, Infosys and TCS should support. Let's see what is the OI on the Bank Nifty side. For the next week, let's see where is Bank Nifty support. Yeah, this was our last week levels. Let's erase those. Now here let's draw something new. So this is the level which we see, 18700 or sorry, no, 39700 or 39800, and below that this 39300 is our proper support area. Okay, so this is where it took almost 1 2, here also 3. So it took 3 attempts over here to take the support, and then it bounced this way. Okay, so that is clearly a support area for us. Now let me erase this one. Yeah, so let's see where we can look at the Bank Nifty to head towards 10300. This is another area that I draw just now, 39800. Okay, and on the resistance side, this we are looking at 40,600 as a proper resistance level. Let's look in the open interest area. So most of the call writing has already short covering has already started or done at below 40,000 level, and 40,500 is a good call writing over there as well. So I in my opinion, Bank Nifty should hover in between this area. It has already moved a lot in the last week. So I think now Bank Nifty should hover in this particular area. On breaking of this level, we may see 41,000 level. So that's what we can say. That's what we can expect from Bank Nifty, right? So let me drag it down. So in Bank Nifty, I am not expecting it should cross 40,500, 600 level. So this should act as a resistance over here. Still, it will act as a resistance. And 39,800 is a blind buy area for Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty should consolidate from here on, because open interest is suggesting same 40,000 looking huge put writing that suggests 40,000 will be difficult to break, and short covering only we can expect after 40,500 until 41,000 level. So Bank Nifty, I am little bit on the consolidation side, whereas more bullish on the Nifty because of IT sector stocks. So that's my understanding. On the global side, if we look at then on the global side, we are stable, for just 8 point edge Nifty up, Dow closed flat, nothing as such. Even yield also, where is yield? Yeah, yield is also a little bit down, 1.63. So things are looking stable right now, and nothing to worry. I believe we will take some support in the Nifty at 18,000, and we'll head towards 18,200. So that's the main idea for Monday trading. Yeah, thank you for my watching video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and yeah, thanks everyone.